Oh my god. We're going to get dinner.
Huh? I never seen one of those in my life.
No, no, no. Stay in that lane. Thank you. That's Lou's old Kia.
That's a blue Kia. Not to be confused with Kiwi.
Yeah. Okay, dear viewers, today we're gonna look at this guy. Look at that. Big, black, American throbbing V8. Good Lord, brother. That probably sounded wild on my microphone. I'm hyped. We're gonna see what that sounds like. I'm just making sure I'm not getting tailed. Aw, gee whiz, I sure hope it doesn't rain. Yup. Power to weight will only help you so much when the other guy has power. Yeah. This guy's on demon time. That's not very nice. Bye, Grandma. It smells like shit over here. Oh, let me close my, there you go. Have my front grill open. pedaling with the kid on it. At least he's a homie though. I'm gonna have to blur out my speed here in the post, considering I caught back up to y'all like this. I may or may not have hit brother. He's got me up top. I had a good launch. Actually, no, I bogged the fuck out of second. Let me have my 3 seconds of fame. I'm chilling out in here, brother. Hey, hush up. Same, bro. Yeah. Oh, look at Luke chopping it up. Oh my god, is that white line Surdy? What? Oh, bye. Looks like it's a solo vlog from here. I wish you were mic'd for that.
That's why I'm happy I'm not.
Oh no, Ryder 8 disconnected. Where's Tom? Come back here, Pookie. Where you at, Pookie? Alright, you're getting cut off. Pookie, I'm coming! I'm here, Pookie! Spooky! Huh? Oh my god, so much America! Whoa! Ah, damn, brother. Oh, that Camry going for it, brother. You said, fuck the light. Brother.
Did he just pull in front of Lou?
Oh, he's got it. Is he talking to that Mustang guy? Yeah, he is. Do I park this right now and just run up and scream at him?
No.
Oh, you about to get a hit, bitch!
Oh, hey, boo her!
Dumb fuck. That's a Jacob spec Camaro right there. Mustang, rather. Jesus. What the fuck? Yeah, the wheels. Jacob, if you're watching this clip, are those your wheels? Let me know.
Jacob, if you're watching this clip, you're a dirty dude.
Oh, you heard that, right? Oh, pussy! Oh, I want to hit that sidewalk so bad. It looks submissive and rideable. Stoppy! What's up, Nick? That's getting beeped. Oh, that bitch hot. There goes half a tank of gas. Huh? Yeah. I just smelled 93 octane for like 20 minutes straight. 91? What the fuck are you doing?
Tuned on 91.
Okay.
The whole time.
Jesus. Is this still is this blinking?